Formal nang binuksan ni Department of Foreign Affairs Secretary Alberto del Rosario at Defense Secretary Voltaire Gazmin at sinaksihan ni US Ambassador to the Philippines Harry Thomas ang simula ng 2013 balikatan military exercises ng magkatuwang na tropa ng Amerikano at Pilipino na tututok sa humanitarian assistance at war games. Sa kanyang opening remarks, nilinaw ni Secretary Gazmin ang kahalagahan nito sa magkaibigang bansa.
This is in consonance with the provision of our Mutual Defense Treaty, where the vital need of joint training exercises has been emphasized as an important component of the operational objectives of both of our armed forces. And so we are happy that today we have commenced the Philippines-United States Balikatan Exercise 2013.
Ang talumpati ni Defense Secretary Voltaire Gazmin, mahalaga ang taon ng pagsasanay nito at magsisilbing proteksyon ng ating mga borders katuwang ang kaalyadong bansa ang Amerika, paliwanag ni Foreign Affairs Secretary Alberto del Rosario.
For my country, we need to secure our borders and protect our territorial integrity more vigorously than we have before. Balikatan, with its complex and comprehensive set of exercises, is an important contribution in not only preparing both our armed forces to work together, but also in building my country's own capacity to defend itself.
Si Foreign Affairs Secretary Alberto del Rosario, mahigit sa 30 mga eroplano ng Amerika at hukbong himpapuwid ang gagamitin sa war exercise sa Central Luzon. Wala o man itong kinalaman at nataon lamang sa namong tensyon sa Korean Peninsula. Iyan ang DZRH News si Campo Aguinaldo, RH 911, Bing Formento, naglilingkod sa pagbabalita.